Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today we're going to be doing a haul video, so if you're interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, I'm going to have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. And if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. I do post videos every single day. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com, where I'm going to have a couple of these items up for sale. So if you guys are interested in anything, go check it out there. But without further ado, let's get into this haul. But like a quick little backstory first, if you haven't seen the other video. We went to a Savers store, so I love Savers so much, but this particular store is a little bit more out of the way than where I usually go. Not that it's out of the way, but it's like there's nothing really around it that I normally go to. So even though it's not as far away as other stores, I don't frequent it. So I haven't been there for about I haven't been there at all this year. So it's already the end of March. And last time I was here was like last year. So I'm super duper excited to show you guys what I ended up getting. So I got it's all sorts of stuff. So let me start off with this. This is I got every time I go to the thrift store, I always get toys for the kids because it's cheap. First of all, the kids outgrow toys so quickly, break toys, and I don't know. I'm just like, I'm not about to spend a ton of money on toys. But if I'm going to spend money on toys, I want to get like toys I know that they're gonna like, and toys that are a good price. So Zach loves this game called Five Nights at Freddy's. I have no clue what it is. It's supposed to be like some kind of horror game or something that's based off of Chuck E. Cheese. No clue, but this is his favorite character from the game. His name is Foxy. This is like a giant stuffed animal, and Zach is going to have like a heart attack when he sees this because he's gonna be so excited. So I'm very seriously new, has a tag still on it, $4.99. Foxy, Zach is gonna have a field day, and yeah, so I'm really excited. He just got like an award too before he went on spring break, so this is gonna be like a good little present for him. I think he's gonna like it. So there's that. Next thing, I got another toy. This one is for Elizo, and Elizo is obsessed with Minions. His favorite thing to eat, bananas. So when I found this Minion toy, brand new in box, that has to do with like Minions and bananas, I had to get it. It was $3.99. The box is just a little squished, but Elizo is going to love this. I know for sure. Minions are his favorite. He wanted to have a Minions birthday party, so this is so cute, even though his birthday already passed and he didn't have a Minions party. But it's the thought that counts, right? But very excited. Again, toys at the thrift stores. Awesome. Okay. Up next. Okay, so I love finding these because I wouldn't say I wouldn't pay full price for these because I have in the past. And if I really want one, like I would probably get it, like if it was like something really cool. But whenever I find, especially these at thrift stores at a good price, I always pick them up. And they are these coffee mugs from Starbucks. So this one is really cool because it has like the mermaid scales on it. I think that's so pretty. And it's like in a mermaid metallic-y kind of colorway. So it's really pretty. And it does also have the matching lid still, which is awesome because I feel like whenever I find these, they're always missing the lid, which usually isn't a problem because I have quite a number of these, and I can always just add, like I just get one of the other lids and put it on. So, but this one still has the lid. It was only $2.99. And I guess, I don't know the original price because it kind of got ripped off, but it still has a little sticker on the bottom, so you know that it really wasn't too used because the sticker hasn't completely fallen off yet. So, really cute mug. So excited. $2.99. There's that. And then the next one, it was in this really cool houndstooth print. $2.99. Starbucks right there. This one also had the lid, which is really nice. This one doesn't have the sticker anymore though on the bottom, but it's like really good shape. I love classic black and white, and I love a good houndstooth pattern, so had to get it. It's really fun, and these just make really great gifts, or if someone comes over or you have like a couple people over and they want to take some coffee for the road, why not give it to them in a really nice mug? So like you're saving the environment, you're giving them a nice gift, a nice little keepsake. So I always have these on hand in case anything like that was ever to happen, and it does happen quite frequently. And I feel like secretly people come over and like take coffee home just so they can get one of these, but that is totally cool with me. $2.99 each. Again, awesome. Like, those things are so expensive, right? So I was very excited about that. Next thing we have here is this Dooney and Burke. It's like a little nylon crossbody bag in orange with brown leather trim. It's seriously like still new. It has like the tags and everything. Still has the this is like the, what is this thing called? It has like the registration thing, so you can register it and all of that good stuff. The only thing is it does have like, I don't know, it got like a little stain on it, and I'm pretty certain we can clean it. I'm kind of familiar with this fabric that they use for these, and they clean pretty well. They're pretty stain resistant, so I feel like even just maybe like a little wipe, a face wipe, or unscented baby wipe will get that right out. I think it'll look good as new, and this literally is like, it's brand new. It just had like something just fell on it or something. And this one was $15.99. And I know these are usually pretty expensive. Look at that. It's $58 originally. 58 bucks. So this would be like a great little gift. I don't know, I might actually send this to the Philippines. I think this would be a great gift for like one of my aunts or cousins, because they like these like light little crossbody bags, and it's like nice and nylon. So I don't know, we'll see, or it'll pop up in the shop too maybe. But yeah, super duper cute. Love Dooney and Burke so much. And I have one last thing to share with you guys, and I think this one is the coolest thing I think that I found. And I've never found this particular designer before, so whenever I find new designers that I haven't found before, I always get really excited. I can check it off my designer like list, and I feel like I should have like an actual, like I have like an actual like designer bucket list of things that I like really want to find. But it'd be pretty cool to have just like a regular list of like all the designers, like high-end kind of like cool designers like that, that we can find at the thrift store. And this is one of them, and it is Raf Simons. And Raf Simons, I feel like Raf Simons, Adidas, like the collab with Adidas, is one of the most popular ones that they're known for. But to find like a Raf Simons just like shoe on its own that's not collaboration with Adidas, I think is super awesome. These shoes are pretty pricey. I looked it up, I believe on Farfetch. These go for $1,045 or something like that. And these shoes are in fantastic condition. They are, I think they're a size 9.5, 10, but they're really cool. And I cannot believe that I found these. Again, they're high tops, so I don't know if I would keep them. But then again, like I feel like I don't know. Whenever I find cool stuff like this, I'm always like, should I just like keep it? But then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna put it in the shop. I feel like shoes don't sell as well for me, which is totally fine, because whenever I buy something, like I know I'm either gonna like use it for myself, or like I'm gonna keep it if it like if no one ends up wanting it, or at least I'll know I have like someone or people that can wear it or use it. So if this doesn't sell, if you guys don't want it, I know that I can either force myself to wear these, or, you know, John might even wear these, but I don't think he's too keen on these sorts of high tops either. But so cool, and such a great price. They were only $11.99. And look at the soles of these shoes. They're like hardly ever worn. They're only like a little dirty, which is crazy. But yeah. That is gonna round out today's haul video. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out what I found. Gee golly willikers, I just love going thrifting so much, especially at a store that I haven't been to in a little while, because I feel like when I don't go to a store in a while, I feel like it's like totally brand new to me, and I don't know, it's just cool going to stores that you don't normally frequent or have never frequented. So my suggestion for you guys is, if you are like kind of like in a thrifting rut, and honestly the past few weeks I feel like my regular stomping grounds haven't had like the amount of items that I've been like used to seeing, but I also think it's because of it's been spring break, and like everyone's been on spring break, so I think that's also the reason. Plus there's been a lot, like with the change of weather, which is really nice right now. Everyone's going out thrifting, so there's lots of different factors, but go to a place that you've never been or haven't been to in a long time, because you never know what you're going to find until you go out there. And also make a day of it. If you go to as many thrift stores as you can in one day, you're going to raise the chances of being able to find some really great stuff. And remember, look everywhere. Even if you're looking for like men's jeans, look in the women's section if you have the time. I know it takes a lot of time, but people will hide the good stuff sometimes, and you don't know where they're gonna put them. I have found amazing shoes in the kids' toy section, hidden underneath like the shelving. So honestly, look everywhere, because you never know what you're gonna find, and the next treasure is just like a look away. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out. I love you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I always love hearing about your finds as well. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Starting out here in like the home goods. Ooh, look at like this old telephone, but it's like not actually that old, because the buttons are like real buttons. It's not like a rotary. They left these like modern Christmas tree looking things. They changed the layout on me a little bit.